not saying this time. We've only heard it twice.
No, we got some real technical bit on this one, haven't we? For the beam break, we've got a technical piece of equipment.
Yeah, it's an Apple TV remote.
Which we're going to use to break the beam.
Yeah.
So you switch over this close-up camera, you should be able to see there's a gap between, I don't know how well it shows up on the camera,
Yeah,
but there is a gap between the two. So one's actually an infrared LED, one's an infrared sensor.
Yeah, and then basically all you have to do is just put something
in between.
By holding this and stab in between.
I mean, as I said before, it would be normally be a disc with little holes cut out.
Yeah.
So as it spins, you can get a like RPM counterfoot or revolutions per minute if you want to have it in the quickest.
Yes. So over to you.
So we go to my code then, shall we? So switch over to mine, and it's short.
Stubby.
Sorry, I just right. So start off, set up the data pin. I could have used the analog on this. This one does have analog again, but it doesn't really make much difference in this one. And I've set up a variable for the state, i.e. SD0, state of digital 0. Set it up as 0 to begin with. Didn't really need to do that, but I just did it. And I set up the pin of the input, which is D0, initialise the serial, then go to the loop. In the loop, all it does is it sets, and this I could actually make this a lot shorter. It sets the state of D0 according to the digital read of D0, and then it prints it out to the screen. D0 equals, and then what it equals. If you look at it the moment, it will say 0 if Dean would kindly break the beam. Oh, it shoots up the ones. Don't know how fast it actually is. I think we're going to have to do another one on this later on.
With some slow motion camera.
Put yourself a little, well no, what I was thinking, we get ourselves a little variable speed motor with a hole in it that the beam can work its way through, and then we'll see how fast we can spin it up and still get readings.
Yeah. But that's the end of yours already. Nice work.
That's it. I mean, mine could be a lot shorter, but I just lengthened it up because it was so boring.
Yes. Right. Now mine, on the other hand, is really short again. We have already both counted our codes, and they're both exactly 9.
Yeah, I could do shorter, but
again, it starts off the way every code does. I import it, I set the mode of the boards, and then I set up the pins. In the case of the pin.
Yeah, the whole one pin.
Yeah. And then I've got that nice try and establish loop, because I do like using that loop now. It's nice to do. And I have that try then while true. Then basically all I'm doing is I'm just checking that pin. As soon as that goes high, it's just going to print being broken.
Well, I'm going to rip the leads out.
Yeah. And we will plug it in, because again they haven't revived.
I don't think any of them will arrive in time for us for the moment.
No.
So we're just going to use the one from now on for now.
Yeah. But I think that's because we do end up like we have a day where we record all our episodes for a while. It just makes it nice and easy and convenient for ourselves. I think I've done the wise the wrong way.
Yeah, you have. Green is ground.
Yep.
Got the grass under your feet.
Yeah. But yeah, so we have a day and we record live episodes. Yeah. That's cool. But yeah, we have a day and we record all our episodes just to make sure that we have everything recorded, so obviously we can get content for you guys. And yeah, what ends up happening is obviously we go, right, we're recording this time, and we were out of episodes when we started recording, and we was like, right, they should revive by now, and they didn't, so we have like a next few episodes where we will be using one module. By the way, if I now would kindly run my code, and all you'll see is it will say absolutely nothing until the beam's broken, and it says beam broken, beam broken,
see,
and that's it. Nice and easy.
Easy peasy, jack and squeeze. Yeah, it's just far too easy, that one. I mean, again, I suppose we could have flashed it up, but we haven't had time to make up a encoded disc.
Yeah. Right, so let's load up the scores for the next thing. Right, Style. Again, we didn't really do anything with the module at all. So yeah, neither was got any. There was nothing we could really do with that without making something else.
Unfortunately,
Like we said earlier,
length of code happens to, and this has not been pre-designed.
no, they were both exactly the same.
Genuinely, we somehow managed to code the same length.
Yeah, basically, when we write our code, what we do is obviously, like you would guess, we write all our code in a batch. So we've got pretty much every module we have, we've already written code for. And then, but we don't sit next to each other. We sit like opposite ends of the room, almost like we're ignoring each other. We just write it all out, and then everything, all the modules then got put in the box before the series even started.
And then we put them out.
And then we just put them out.
But then we give ourselves a little bit of time just to check the code.
Yeah.
I mean, to say how we're doing it, to show how we come about the ease of use. Well, functionality, we both did it. We may as well both put some scores up for that.
Yes.
To go to ease of use, one of the things we're using to help us decide if we think it's easy is if we can come back to it and just plug it in. I mean, like I did this time. I've come back, I've loaded my code, the code's told me how to wire it up.
Yeah.
Now, if it was not easy to use, you wouldn't be able to do that.
No, not at all.
So, you know, I think, I mean, you've done yours exactly the same.
Yes.
You've used your code to tell you how to wire up. I think that means it's easy to use.
Oh, definitely. And as of such, you can guess the scores, which also means you can guess the total. It's another draw, which doesn't help.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Which doesn't help with my whole plan of beating you and beating the Arduino, because for as long as we draw, I'll always be 2 points behind.
Yeah. Damn.
Yes. So, as it was a draw, I get to pick.
Yes, because I picked last time.
Yes. This is probably going to be the only time during the rest of this series I'll get to pick something out of it.
Oh dear.
We do have airfiles in there, do we? Yeah, we have a HC SR04 ultrasonic range sensor.
No, there's other things in there. I was beginning to wonder.
I didn't want this.
No, no.
I want to try again.
No.
Alright, well, we'll see
Next
the next
time
time
we'll
we
do
get to do
that.
that.
Hang on, is this? Ooh, yeah.
Mm.
This could be a nice one.
This is. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.